Well, of all the cool things I could probably test out, this has to be one of them. You can't see it, but I can see it. And this is the GOOVIS G3X. And I gotta tell you, this thing is simply amazing. It's like having a portable big screen TV in your pocket. Let me explain.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Wow, this is an amazing product and I didn't think I was gonna be this impressed with it. But after using it for a little bit, I gotta say, there's only one con. It's only one con, and I'll get to that in a little bit, but there's so much about this product that I really like. In the world of VRs and things like that, you know, the headsets, people are really spending a lot of money. And some of them are very good products, more than likely. But with this one, this is like having a big screen TV at your disposal at any given time. Look at it this way. This mounts up to anything. It turns anything you plug into it into a big screen TV, i.e., I've plugged in an iPhone, I've plugged in an Android phone, I've plugged in everything. I even plugged in a portable Android TV, and it works just fine. Now, in order to use something like this, you're gonna need this. This is a HDMI Type-C dongle. You will need that in order to be portable like that, because that Android TV is super small and it actually is a battery pack as well. This is a game changer. But if you don't have all of that and you just want to use your phone, you can plug into anything pretty much. I've been trying so many different things and it's absolutely incredible. You can also plug into your Nintendo Switch. Well, I do have a Nintendo Switch. You can use this to eliminate so many things, making you a little bit more portable and getting a little bit more privacy. So along the sides here, you'll see that there are speakers that go right towards your ears, which is really nice. There are speakers on each side. The head strap and the harness is completely adjustable. In fact, you can actually remove the harness completely for easy traveling and everything. This harness is pretty sweet because it houses little speakers in there as well. Like I said, you can actually pop this off as well for your eye protection. I can't see myself using it like this, but you actually can use it this way. And on the bottom here, I wear glasses, prescription glasses, and believe it or not, I was able to pretty much dial in my exact prescription on the bottom of this. Now, I don't know how that'll work for a lot of people, but I'm pretty sure this is pretty limitless when it comes to people with prescriptions. If you have a really strong prescription, I think you'll do well. And a prescription like mine is not really strong, but it's strong enough to requires me to need some prescription glasses. On the top, you can see that there's a brightness button and a 3D button. The 3D button is used for 3D content. So if you want to watch something in 3D, you put it on and then you press that 3D button, completely immersed in 3D. Absolutely crazy, folks. On the other side here, you've got the volume rocker button. Now you have a Type-C port that you'll use to access all the content. You'll need to always be plugged into that cable to see the content, because this is essentially a portable monitor, a portable big screen monitor at that. And then if you don't want to use the speakers on the harness, you can actually plug in some headphones right there if you choose to do that. So this is a very eclectic product. And I think that a lot of people, if they were to get the chance to use this, they would actually love it. When I first saw it, I was like, I'm not going to be impressed with this. I've tried a lot of VR headsets and like monitoring headsets, just anything like this. And to my surprise, folks, this thing is super clear. I kid you not. Now, I did say there was a con, but there's actually probably two cons, some would argue, and it's being tethered to Type-C in order to have this portability. Whenever you plug something in, it fires up the headset and it powers it on. And so it'll display that way. So for something like the Android TV, You could set this up elsewhere and then just plug it up, but I chose to do it all through the headset and it was fine. It's just a matter of I had to take my headset off and look at the code. You know, I did when you set up Android TV. But this is actually a pretty good deal too. You can use any one you want. These are accessories that they sent over. And I think you're definitely gonna need this dongle right here in order to make it really complete. But with that Android TV, I really don't have to do much because I have a control here. And I've got Netflix and Tubi and all these different things. But some of you guys are gonna say, well, I don't even need to go that route. I could just use the apps on my smartphone. And you are absolutely right. You literally can just plug in the cable to Type-C like I did, fire up Netflix, YouTube, whatever, anything you want to fire up, it'll come across in the display here. And I think that is one of the coolest parts about owning something like this. It is so easy to set up. It's just plug and play. The only thing that you're setting up is something externally. So if you don't want to use an Android TV, like I said, and you just want to plug in your smartphone, you just plug it into the Type-C, folks, and you are done. Simply put, you are done. Speakers on here are actually really good. It's going to come down to preference, though. You can hear them like other people would hear what you were looking at or listening to through the speakers on the actual headset harness here. These little speakers right here, they're actually pretty good. I mean, I was surprised at how good they were. The headset and harness itself is extraordinarily comfortable. You have this really big cushion on the front here. It is actually really solid, folks. This is a great thing. Now, two cons I would say is being tethered and then also the price. That might be something to really deter people, but you're gonna have to decide in your budget if you think it's worth it. If you travel a lot, if you're a person that wants some kind of privacy on an airplane or just whatever on a bus ride, something, or in a car with your family, and you want privacy, headphones and this go great together. But I appreciate them sending this over. And this has got to be one of the coolest products to start up 2026 with. And to be honest, this is going in my bag. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.